Basic English conversation for kids.
Hello, I'm your friend, Bobo. I'll help you practice English conversation. Please follow my directions. Thank you! What number is it? Words. After you listen to each word, say the word. Number. Seven. 10. 6. Conversation.
What number is it?
It's 3.
What number is it?
It's 7.
What number is it?
It's 10.
Is this 2?
Yes, it is.
Is it 9?
No, it isn't. It's 6. Practice. Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better.
What number is it?
It's 3.
What number is it?
It's 7.
What number is it?
It's 10.
Is this 2?
Yes, it is.
Is it 9?
No, it isn't. It's 6. Word quiz. Six. 7. 10. 10. Conversation quiz. Lily say?
What color is it? What number is it?
It's 3. What did Max say?
What number is it?
It's 7. Yes, it is. What did Lily say?
Is this 2? What number is it?
Yes, it is. You did it. You were superstar.
Yay!
Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.